what is this device and how does it work? Basically, it allows you to control your lights, your car lights, based on ambient light. So if you are in a dark room or the sun went out, the lights will turn on. Okay, so let me show you how to wire this thing. Let's open the receiver box. It works with any receiver, so you can make it work with Arrma, Traxxas, HPI, Polo brands. Okay, so a couple more screws. Okay, so we open the receiver box. There we have our receiver. As you can see, we are using only 2 channels. We have 2 free spots, so we have to connect this thing. It comes with 2 connectors. One of them goes to the receiver. Just make sure to connect the positive with positive and negative with negative. Let me zoom out so you can see it. There. This is the one we just connected. This one. Remember, you can connect it into any free channel. It doesn't matter. Once we have that connected, we have to connect the other end to the lights. Also make sure of the negative and positive. Just connect it there. This is a regular light bar for Traxxas / stock bumper. Okay, let's put it there. Oh, here we have the sensor. This box is the sensor. Let's turn your car on. Lights are on because we have a kind of low light here. Let me open the window so you can see how this thing works. Okay, here it is. I'm pointing this to the window, so you can see. Now, if I cover it, oh, the lights are here. If I cover this, the light turns on. You see? I cover it, light turns on. So basically that's how it works. You can calibrate the sensitivity from here. You will have a little hole on the top. You can calibrate it more or less. So that's it. That's how this thing works. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to connect, and it works. So if you want automatic lights, this is the way to go.